Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I know there hasn't been a fishing video in a little while. That is because the weather has been horrible. I've been super busy. I actually just purchased, well, rented, I guess, this giant storage unit, and I wasn't really gonna like film a video or anything or do anything like that, but I thought it'd be kind of cool to bring you guys along and just kind of show. This is gonna be like kind of my new headquarters where I'm gonna be editing all the videos. As you guys can see right there, I set up my desk last night. I just started moving stuff in today, and I was like, oh, I might as well just film a video and kind of show you guys the layout of kind of what I'm going to be building in here, because I'm going to be building kind of like a little tackle shop. I'm going to be building all sorts of stuff, but this is going to be, you know, where my boat's at. A lot of videos are going to be filmed here, a lot of reels, videos, all going to be edited right on there. So yeah, basically I just wanted to, you know, kind of showcase this and just kind of walk you guys through it. I wasn't really planning on it. That's why I already have a bunch of stuff in here, but I thought, you know, might as well bust out the camera, just show you guys a little bit kind of what I've been working on the last week, because I've been super busy, not fishing, just trying to get life organized. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what it looks like right now. So obviously we've got the big main gate up that way, and then the boat is here for now. And then basically I kind of have this whole back space here as my headquarters. So it's kind of a cluster right now. I'm obviously just kind of bringing in a bunch of junk. But basically this is going to be like the editing station. I just bought that. It's just a giant pegboard. Gonna put the pegboard somewhere on the walls here. So yeah, I guess this is going to be more of like a life update kind of video, and just kind of showing you guys what I've been working on, what I'm going to be continuing to work on as the months go by here, and just kind of get everything dialed. It's going to be super cool. I mean, I'm going to probably have banners on the wall. I'm gonna have like a home little bait shop, like I said, with the pegboard that my buddy Les is gonna help me come build. And then I'm just gonna set up a time lapse here and try to get my life organized. So yeah, like I said, this is not gonna be a fishing video. This is more just kind of like a life update video, I guess. And showing you guys what this is going to be. I wanted to show what this would look like bare. That's part of the reason I wanted to bring out the camera, because I am gonna make this thing look pretty freaking sick. So I'm gonna stop talking. That's enough talking until you guys can see some more cool stuff. But I'm gonna put the camera down, set up a time lapse. I'm gonna start building a bunch of stuff, and yeah, making this place look dope. Alright guys, well, I still have a mess. Les brought a pizza, shout out to Les, but still kind of a mess. Working on the old bait shop portion of my little warehouse action that I got going here. So basically I'm going to kind of have one-stop shop. I'm going to have a bunch of baits on the wall and just kind of everything, pliers, you know, everything I need to maybe either get rigged up on the boat for the next day, or just, you know, if I go to the store and I have a bunch of, you know, baits that I find that I want, I can just buy a bunch and have them, you know, readily accessible, so I don't always have to go to the store constantly. I can just buy a bunch and leave them right up there. So pretty cool. Kind of still working on this portion. Yeah, I'm just gonna finish putting some pegs on here and then maybe get a few baits on the board and show you guys kind of what it's gonna look like. I'm pretty pumped. All right guys, well, the sun is kind of going down. I don't know how much you guys can really see, but the sun is kind of going down. I wanted to give you a quick little progress report here. So this is kind of what my setup is looking like at the moment. pretty freaking dope. I got kind of like my storage area there where I'm going to charge all my batteries. My editing station obviously back there. And this right here is probably my favorite part of the whole entire warehouse thing I got going here. This is by far the coolest thing. Just having a nice little tackle shop. I'm obviously just starting to put a couple things up there. I still got a bunch of baits and a bunch of hooks and a bunch of different stuff to put up there. A bunch more stickers I'm going to put on there. But I'm actually going fishing tomorrow, so I'm actually going to start rigging for that, and I wanted to just kind of show you a progress report here. So I got to get going, but this video will resume when I come back, probably on Saturday. I'm gonna build a rack and a shelf for all the rods that I got, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep building. I'm just gonna keep bringing you guys along with. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to document this and just show. I'll pop up a video of what this place looked like when I first got it, like a couple days ago. And obviously this is what it looks like now. So a lot more amenities, if you will, to come, but I'm gonna put the camera away for now, get all my stuff rigged up for tomorrow. I'm heading up to try to catch some crappies tomorrow, some bluegills, and then hopefully some more walleyes. And those videos will be coming out as well. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we can go catch some fish with this really, really crappy weather we got. But that is gonna do it for right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready to rock for tomorrow, and I'll pick this video up on Saturday. Alright guys, well it is a few days later. I'm not sure how much I filmed. I actually don't think I got the camera out at all, but this is kind of what the rod rack is looking like. My buddy Les came over and helped me get the rod rack all situated, so just kind of a nice little, you know, area, if you will, to just keep my rods. And then obviously we have the gorgeous board that's still getting filled up. Clearly I have a lot of bins to go through yet, so I'm just getting everything kind of situated. Got my little charging station over here for all my camera batteries. Getting ready to go back up to the pier right now and actually try to catch some walleyes for you. So that's what I'm doing right now. But then, you know, got the shelf, got some extra Piscifun Reels up top. Those got to go on some rods real soon. But yeah, kind of a little charging station, you know. It's a work in progress. You know, it's not going to be done in this video. It's not going to be done now. It's probably not going to be done next week. But, you know, I got a lot of stuff going on right now. And I'm kind of keeping it a secret until everything's finalized. But big things coming, hopefully. And I'm super, super jacked about it. So, not going to spoil anything yet. You guys are going to have to keep wondering. But I'm kind of hoping, you know, everything's going to work out. And it's going to be an awesome kind of situation we got going here. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. So yeah, that's kind of going to do it for this portion of the video. I want to jump into the giveaway portion now because for one, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody because we just hit 10,000 subscribers. I cannot freaking believe it. I hit 5,000 on Christmas and 10,000 on Easter. Doesn't get any cooler than that. So just been crazy growth last month, and wouldn't be possible without you guys watching this video. So I'm going to be giving away a bunch of stuff. So yeah, just super excited to see what the future has in store. Because like I said, big things, huge things are coming. Huge. Bigger than ever before. So got the boat charging there. So if you guys hear that sizzling noise kind of in the background, that's the fan cooling down my batteries. But I'm going to go sit down over here and we're going to talk over the giveaway. Alright, let's talk a little bit about the giveaway here. I'm going to pull out my phone. I posted a poll the other day on my story, and got a lot of feedback on what I should give away. So I'm going to go in there first. I already have an idea of what I'm going to give away, but I just want to see what you guys said here. So I'm going to go back into my stories. Alright, so I posted this on my Instagram story on March 25th. I got a bunch of responses from you guys here, so let's see what we got. $10 billion. Gee, if I could give that away, I'd be on a whole different planet. Sorry, not giving away $10 billion. A boat. Okay, guess I'm giving away a boat. No, I'm just kidding. Geez, you guys, new truck with bass boat fully loaded with poles. Okay, boat with live scope. Okay, you guys must think I'm made of money or something. If I could give away boats, man, we'd be on a whole different level right now. I hope one day I can give away a boat. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, a lot of people just said boats and trucks and, you know, super bougie things that I can't really give away. So, alright, in all seriousness, we're going to jump into what I'm actually going to be giving away here. Like I said, there's going to be a few, and I'll tell you guys how you guys can enter in the giveaway once I'm done going through them all. The first one is going to be this jaw jacker jigging bait. It's like 140 bucks or something retail. It's free for one of you guys. I'll ship this out. So that is one of the things I'm going to be giving away. Second thing I'm going to be giving away is 2 of the Piscifun Carbonex 2000s. These are the reels I have on all of my rods. I literally use this reel on the ice, open water. These are amazing, amazing reels. So I'm going to be giving away 2 of these. I'm going to be giving away a couple packs of the Send It Outdoors lake trout tubes. Super awesome tubes. I also have a bunch of jaw jacker rods unopened. I got a bunch of these. This is a 36, this is a lake trout rod. I got some lighter action ones too. So fishing rods. Also just got a bunch of new Husky jerks in the mail. Bunch of different colors. Bunch of different colors, sizes. So Husky jerks, that is on there as well. So that's all the stuff I'm going to be giving away. I'm kind of getting ready to go on a fishing trip. Like I said, I'm going to head up to Green Bay and try to catch some more walleyes. But all you have to do to enter the giveaway and kind of choose, you can actually choose what you want to win as well. Or if there's a list of things that you would want to win, you can leave that as well. First thing you got to do, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed and like the video. Second thing you got to do is follow me on my Instagram page. I'll leave the link down in the description. It'll be at the top of the description. Head on over there, shoot me a follow. Third and final thing you guys have to do is go down to the description. Let me know how long you've been watching the channel, and also let me know what giveaway item or items you would like to win. If you want to possibly be picked for all of the items, then just say I'm cool to win whatever. If you just want to win certain specific items, then just specify those down in the comments. But that is all you have to do. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and like the video. Shoot me a comment of what you want to win. It's that simple. I wanted to give back. Huge thank you to all of you guys who've been showing a crazy amount of support. This last month has been unbelievable, and it's only up from here. A lot of big things coming. Like I said, I'm not gonna specify anything right now, but I'm working on a lot of cool stuff right now, and yeah, all I gotta say, huge things coming, and that is all thanks to you guys behind the screens watching this video. So that's gonna do it. Thank you guys so much. Share this video around if you guys want to, you know, maybe have your buddy win something as well. So that is gonna do it for the video. I have to get rigged up. I gotta get going. Gotta go fishing. Those videos will be coming out probably right after this one. But I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. Thank you all for the support. I can't thank you guys enough. Love y'all. See you guys in the next one. Peace.